In this tutorial, you will learn how to replace the printhead. Prepare a static safe work area. Disconnect power and open the printer. Release the retainer on the right side of the printhead. Move to the right to release the left side of the printhead. Gently remove the printhead connectors. Remove the ground wire. Gently remove the printhead connectors. Connect the two printhead cables first. Connect the ground wire to the lug. Align the left end of the printhead. Apply pressure at the right end of the printhead to engage the retainer. Ensure the printhead moves freely. Use an approved thermal printhead cleaning pin. Clean the printhead before using the printer. Starting at the center, wipe the printhead towards each outside edge. Rub the pin over the dark stripe several times until clean. Allow the printhead to dry completely before installing media and closing the cover.